how to fix app is currently not available in your country or region on your iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that can you solve the problem like app is not currently available in your country or region on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the app store from your iPhone. So simply you have to open it. Alright, so after you open the App Store, by searching in the search field for the app, you will be getting the error like app is not currently available in your country or region. So there is no any official way to fix this problem. So you have to wait for a while until the app will come on your region. So you have to wait until that app will available in your country or region. So after some patience, you might be getting that app on your region or country. So in this way you can know it. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.